Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. This is publisher tutorial, and in this video today I'll show you how to delete page numbers in Microsoft Publisher. So let's get started. I open a booklet publication here, and this is page 1. You look, the page number is created in the bottom in this, and this is page 2 and page 3, and this one is page 4 and page 5, and these are also page 6, 7, and last one is page 8. Now I want to remove or delete the page numbers of this booklet, so I go to the view menu and then I click here in master page, and now I select the footer of these pages, and then I remove the hashtag and delete this. Now I close the master page. Now you see there is no page numbers here, and the page number is gone and deleted. And you also find here another one, there is no page numbers here. So viewers, I hope now you can delete any page numbers of and publications. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.